Hi, welcome to branch center of Look Masters Non-Surgical Hair Placement Center located at SCF 51, second floor, phase 5, Mohali. Now we are taking you inside. This is the spacious high-tech center of Look Masters Non-Surgical Hair Placement Center at Mohali. As you can see, there are private zones for the transformation of men and women who come for their non-surgical hair placement procedures like hair patches, hair wigs, hair toppers and hair extensions, all with 100% human hair, what we specialize in. There are different zones, all private zones. COVID appropriate behavior is being 100% followed by me and my team. And as you can see, it's independently spread over. It's got a separate waiting area, scalp cleaning zone, your workstation, individual zones, and also a wonderful counseling zone, come office where the clients are treated and shown the hair systems, and their post-procedure counseling is also done out here methodologically. So for any hair issues, scanty hair issues, and for aesthetic solutions, come to Look Masters Non-Surgical Hair Placement Center, Chandigarh and Mohali. Thank you.